What if a single smart dog collar can give your dog the freedom to roam anywhere day and night, all while keeping them safe, healthy, and easy to track? Well, this is the smart SATELLAI Collar that is very powerful with GPS, AI health insights, and powerful tools for smart training, all in one rugged system that is built for peace of mind. Inside of the box, you're gonna find the quick start guide, the charging cable, a magnetic buckle designed for one-hand easy use, a simple to secure even if your pup is excited, an adjustable strap with reflective strips that glow in the dark, adding extra visibility and safety during nighttime walks. And last but not least, the smart collar, very sleek and durable. Connected, it was extremely simple. All you have to do is charge the collar and then open the SATELLAI app, turn on the Bluetooth and pair the collar with your phone, create the profile, upload a picture of your dog in the app to simulate ownership. And now comes to the most exciting part, drawing your virtual fence. Use the app outline to save zone in the green and the no-go zone in the orange. The app is very user-friendly. They can track the activity, the rest, the fences, and the beacons in case if you have some. Make sure that you do update the firmware, that is gonna have the latest features up to date. Now, the SATELLAI Collar also monitors your dog's health, tracking their activity, their movement, and with the AI insights, it can highlight the changes over time, which is going to help you give you a clear picture of your dog's well-being while also detecting issues pretty early. Once you're ready to get started, click on fences and create the fence, and you do have two options, the simple and the complex. Then just go ahead and start with the simple, and it's just a circle with the radius. You can increase it or decrease it in the bar, and then press OK so you can save the zone. Also, you can move it around like a map, like a normal map, so you can map it out in the exact area that you want it to be. Now going into the complex, you can start with a square, and every corner you can press and hold so you can move it around and shape it into your desired area. If you have a specific ground that you want to cover and that is not just a circle, and you want to keep the dog within its range, then you're going to be able to do it and customize the fence. Once you're done, you can click save, and then you can give it a name so you can know exactly what area it is. Next, you're going to have some features for your dog's attention, such as whistling, and there is 5 options to choose from. They're all designed to help recall your dog if they wander out of sight.
Good. Go home. Go home.
The SATELLAI features a GPS tracking, and you might be wondering how the dog knows when it's near the boundary that you set, and simply go to the controller where you can adjust the volume, vibration, and static correction if needed. Durability with the IP68 proof, dust proof, and rugged enough for all weather, and you can use it in your backyard, farm or ranch, and even adventures like beach trips or hikes, anywhere with signal coverage. And I actually wanted to test out the waterproof IP68, so I grabbed the bowl with water and I submerged the whole collar inside. Once I took it out, everything was nice and working like normal. Alright guys, so I have right here the SATELLAI Collar, and it feels lightweight and very durable and high-tech overall, because I've seen some of the competitors, but this over here, you can tell the materials are very well put together, and it has IP68 waterproofing, so the water is not gonna be a problem. They can get in the water, they can go out in the rain, and it's not gonna be a problem. Also, dust durability as well, dust proof. And one of my favorite features is the fact that in a single charge, you can get up to 5 days of adventures, 5 days of daily use with not a problem of always constantly charging it. So the SATELLAI Collar is way more than just a collar. It's a training tool, a safety system, and a healthcare tracker all in one. And the best part is, well, alternatives like Spot On Fence cost $1,000 and the Halo 4 is about $600. The SATELLAI Collar is just $400 when you use my code TechUtopia100. So if you want a smarter, safer, and more affordable freedom for your dog, it's time to upgrade to the SATELLAI Collar. It is built with advanced GPS, AI insights, and rugged durability at a price that all makes sense.